Every time you feel bored, you feel lonely, do not try to fill it with noise. The universe is trying to communicate with you. The universe only communicates in silence. Most of you have blocked your attention and your ears with so much distractions, so much chasing, social media. You try to fill in every noise because you are scared of boredom, of loneliness, and you missed whatever was being revealed to you. Learn how to listen. Learn how to sit in silence. No phone, no movie, no sound, just silence. It is in silence that direction and clarity rises.